Hey, it's Lisa here. Welcome to Ear Care 101 for our poodles, standard poodles, or pretty much any breed that might have a little bit of hair in their ears. I like to use a good ear powder. This has a little bit of grabbing hold. It dries the hair out. It makes it easier to pull if you are going to get the hair out of the ears. Pulling hair in the ears is a controversial topic. It depends on the dog, on if I'm going to pull the hair out of the ears or not. My view is that you do want to get air down into the ear canal. You don't necessarily have to pull every single little strand. I like to pull the ones that are easy to come out. If I have to really force it out of there, then I might leave it for the next time. Hair in the ear canal causes moisture to sit, and it could cause yeast to grow and so on and so forth. But ear care is super important. Even if you're not going to pull the hair out of yours, you do want to clean them with something, even after every bath. But I'm going to show you how I will pull hair out of one of the dog's ears with some ear powder. I also have a pair of hemostats, and these guys, and these are small, but they're kind of locking hemostats. They're going to help me grip some of the hair that's down inside the ear canal. And then I have a couple of things. I'll show you with ear cleaner. This is kind of a drying ear cleaner. It's from Furback. It's Epiotic. I get it from the vet's office. But it cleans but it also dries. And it's non-irritating. When I'm looking for ear cleaner, I'm trying to find things that does not have rubbing alcohol in it. Especially if there's like an irritation going on in those ears. Rubbing alcohol is going to sting. I mean, if you can just imagine if you wipe rubbing alcohol on a little sore and it stings really bad. Well, if it goes in the ear, it's going to be a little stinging. I've used witch hazel. Witch hazel is non-irritating, so it doesn't dry as well as rubbing alcohol, but I usually try to steer clear of it in my ingredients in any of the ear cleaners that I use. I also use another ear cleaner that is kind of an antibacterial, antifungal as well. And that just kind of for my maintenance, my own maintenance standard poodles. Once I bathe them, clean their ears, I put that in there. Just kind of hopefully prevent any yeast that may pop up. So those are just some of the tools that I use to clean. I will show you how I pull the hair out of the ear. So this is Rocco. He is my buddy. He's such a good boy. And he's very tolerant for what I need to do. So as you can see, he's got quite a bit of hair in the ears. And I don't know if the video can show, but it looks a little greasy, and it makes it like your fingers like slide right off of the ear hair. See if I can get it to angle just a little bit differently. There we go. So in order to help me grab that ear hair, I'm going to place a little bit of powder down inside that right there. And then now watch, just using that little bit of powder helps me grab the hair. And I do as much as I can with my fingers. I try to get all the areas outside of the ear. And you see, it's really just kind of gently pulling out. And Rocco gets his ears done every 5 weeks. They come to me for grooming every 5 weeks. Might have been 6 weeks since the last time he's been in. But you can see down in there, I can get my finger in deep down in there. And the one thing you have to remember with all dogs, is their ear canal is shaped like an L. So it comes down here and then it makes a right turn, goes right into the throat area. The ear drum is way down at the end of that L. So you can stick stuff down in the ears and not actually hit the ear drum. So you see, I'm just still kind of pulling. You don't have too much deep down in there. So I'm just going to take this little hemostat. I'm just going to help me grip some of the stuff that's down there my fingers can't reach. You can see, just grabbing little pieces of hair at a time, and see some of that hair is coming from deep down inside that ear canal. So, I know, buddy. Tilt it so we can see. Where's your good boy? So, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, the important thing is you get as much hair down in the bottom of that ear canal as possible. So then, okay, so he hasn't had a bath yet. So I like to do their ears before their bath. So once I get their ears clean, I will take my ear cleaner and a cotton ball. Give me 1 second. So I'll take my ear cleaner and a cotton ball, and I'll put my ear cleaner down in there. Just squirt it in there because you want it to kind of go down in, and then I'm going to massage the base of the ear to see if there's anything that pops up out of there, like any dirt or debris or what have you. And then I'm going to put the cotton ball in there before they shake their head. And the reason why I'm going to do that, especially with this being a drying solution, I want that to get down in there and dry the ear. But I also want the cotton ball to kind of protect the ears from any water going deep down in there. And you see I put it down in there pretty deep. They shake their head and then they get it out. Once I'm done bathing him, I will take this cotton ball out. I will put a dry cotton ball in there. And then I will dry them with cotton ball in there. And what that'll do, the dry cotton ball will help pull out any moisture that's down in the ear canal and help keep their ears dry. So doing that, I found I've had less ear infections, less ear irritations, and a happier, healthier pup. So I hope this video helps you, maintain a healthy ear for your puppy, and we look forward for another video later on. Thanks.